tapos na kaming kumain. So, now, we are witnessing live. Gumagawa na to. Masaya, ganun pala siya. Nagsumatrabaho. Diba? This is so nice. Ang galing nila, oh. Nice. So now, we will start our journey up. Ay! Oh my God, ito na yung pinakatapusan yung isa. Look at that, it's shaking because of the alon. Ah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay na kami doon.
Yes, 12:30. Yeah, here in our boat.
Ayan siya. Wow. Sa two-chair. Kawa pa, as you can see. Yan yung mga niluluto. Yung ganyan. So nice. So nice. And then now, let's go. So now, napunta tayo na Crystal Cove. Ay, dito tayo. Sorry. This time. Wala na palang yung scan.
Lapit na.
Okay. Thank you po. 0.5. Thank you po. Wow, this is me? Ah, okay. Wow. Nice. So now, akyat na kami sa cave 2, sabi. Oh my God. The wind is giving wind because it's so strong. And this is how it looks like here. And sobrang saya ko. I'm just so happy and again amazed by my glue kasi hindi siya nalilipad. Sabi niya Baywatch and Cove 2. So continue lang ang ating paglakad. Yes. And I'm giving sex box dancers. Stop ko, diba? Okay, then bababa lang tayo dito. Baba tayo, tara. So, dito tayo ngayon. Just going down. It feels nakakatakot. Pwede siyang bumaba. Ay.
Nagwanta. Tama mo? Nakuanta siya, nakatraffic sa
Sige po.
ganong.
Dead. My God. Wow. So nice. Here. Oh, it's famous meal. Ganyan na yan siya. So, another food.
Kaway-kaway po. Kaway!
Oh my God, kuya! Uy, ang ganda yun. Oh my God! Woo! O pala, ito yung alam ko daw sa lyrics. O pala, hindi pa ko sa grupo. Like, ang dami na namin pinagdaanan na island hopping, kumangin ng mga basta gusto ko. Ngayon, nandito kami sa parasailing. Nandito kami sa parasailing. And yeah, it's like falling down. Pero, natatakot ko din ako. Pero time and time again, so I definitely improvements here. Finally. Natapos na kami. Napagtagumpayan namin kapanan. Hilo, suka, ihi, oops. Yan. Paglabanan namin. Then, ngayon pauwi na kami. Sakto naman na pagkatapos ng parasailing. Umabot na. I was like, sabi ko, umabot na. So, syempre, hindi narinig kasi nasa taas kami. So now, pauwi na kami. And definitely magpapahinga muna. Manap. Gigising ulit para kumain. And we want to go to Mezrab. So it's night time now. Kaya makikita na natin yung mga night yachts and boat there. Then, right now, ang dami pa rin tao sa ganitong oras. Pero ngayon, papunta kami ng Mezrab because that's one of our itinerary here. Makakain sa Mezrab. Let's go! Ito din yung gusto ko. Oh my God. Look at that. You know, Phoenix is going here. And then there's a lot. That's so nice. There's a lot. There's a lot of food in here. There's a shop. Oh, that's the Coco Mama. But that's not filled. Mango Mama. It's just... This is my and I want to taste the bread. And here we are, Mezrab. This is Mezrab. Let's go. So, ito tayo. Puno. Yeah. Oh, here we are. Ang cute. So yeah, there's still space. Ang ganda dun. Ay, ayaw pa dun na tayo. So, we will be sitting here. Tada! So, ito yung order namin. Masarap. Grabe mga nare. Super sarap. Oo, ingay. Ang sarap. This one is the best. Ang sarap din ito. Well, both chicken, toby, and pinito. Pero ang sarap din na kalmos juice is so tasty. We'll figure this out. Wow, ang sarap, diba? So we're now here at Mango Mama. As you can see, ang haba ng fila. Like, bigyan hindi worth it. Malapit tayo malapit. Malapit. And this is me. Oh my God. The day is so fantastic, adventurous, challenging, ang daming nangyari na kumuntik pang sumuko ang bituka while on the island hopping. And then to think, nagparasailing pa from the jet ski holiday to everything. So tiring, but still I'm so happy that I was able to have this memory, make this memory. Tama ka talaga na huwag mong alalahanin, huwag mong intindihin yung gastos. As long as masaya ka, you build memory, happiness to the adventures you will have, okay lang yun. Babalik naman yung pera. So I do believe in that and babalik at babalik ang perang mga nagastos kasi madami naman talaga siya. But yeah, I'm just so happy for today. I can't express it by words, through words, but so happy. Thank you, Lord. Yun lang. Thank you so much, Mama Mara. Good night. Oh God, sakto may fire dance. You know, kami. Wow.